Hi, my clarinet players. How are you? Hope everything's going well today. Today, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to swab out your instrument. Because even though you probably are using a plastic instrument, there's pads and everything that need to be wiped down. So, I'm going to start. I like to start by taking the mouthpiece off and putting that away. So, I'm going to take that off first. I'm going to set it aside right now, because normally I would take that off before I started the swabbing. Then I separate the instrument, and I have a nice cloth. It's got a weight on the end, just a little bit of a weight, and I send it through. There we go. See, the weight helps it, with gravity, helps pull it through. So you just pull that. And this is a nice thin material, so it easily goes through the clarinet. And you can see I just had a lesson, so it's picking up some of my condensation. And then I would put that right back in the case. Same thing with the lower part. I'm going to take the weight, put it down through here. If I can, there we go. You'll notice there's a little edge inside there. There's the end, and I just pull it through. All right, bottom's not too bad. And it goes back in the case. The bell, my bell usually doesn't get that too condensation-y. It's mostly up in the upper joint. But just in case, there you go. That's how it's done. You'll want to do the barrel. That's going to get a lot of condensation because that's where your mouthpiece is. That's where your air first goes. Sometimes I've taken this off and you can see the condensation right in there. So just put the weight end through. Pull it through. Maybe you want to do it twice just to be sure. There you go. Now, if you're wondering what I have, this I got from Yamaha. Yeah, I have a Yamaha clarinet, so this is Yamaha cleaning swab. And I like the end. It's got a nice little weight at the end. You could also use one like this for your saxophone. Happy swabbing.